Well, today's turned out to be a beautiful day. Thought I'd bring out the Insta360 and try it out. The Mavic Mini, just fly it around a little bit out here at the park. Great day to fly drone and to play with the camera. Test out a few features on the camera. No real theme to this video, just beautiful park on a beautiful day. So I hope you enjoy. I've already tried a few things with the 360 camera. Now I'm going to use the 4K wide angle mod. I just wanted to check and see what the audio is like. It's a good setup. It frames pretty perfect with the 4K mod. Earlier, when I was just checking the audio was very low. I don't know if it was just playing through the Insta360 low, but we'll find out. Waiting for them to release the USB-C microphone adapter. That'll make this a lot better, but right now it's only in pre-order. We'll see. This is just to test the audio on the Insta360. Okay. Oh, here's something that I wanted to point out. This clip where the charger goes, there. So there's where the charger and the SD card, the door for the charger and the SD card is here. And it doesn't seem like it wants to secure all the time. You'll see there's a little white notch there that you have to line up. What I noticed was, earlier when I was charging it, I kept it in the case. When I popped the lid back on, it didn't lock. So that's something I'm worried about, because if I would have taken this and stuck it in the water, it would not have been secure, and water would have gotten down into the SD card and the charger slot. So let me take this off so I can show you what I mean. You stick the white notch in and then you lock it down. It doesn't really click, it's just in there. But earlier, if I charge it, I'll charge it in the case. The case has a little cutout here. But what happened was, when I had this off, when I went to put it back on, this front, the first notch didn't lock, and then the back notch did. So if you see here, it's raised up just a hair. And when I went to take it out of the holster, it wouldn't come out because that notch was stopping it. But when it was inside of the case, to me it looked as if this was shut. So if I would have stuck this in the water, it would have been opened, and that could have damaged the Insta360. Inside there is the SD card slot and your USB-C charging port. So just Make sure that you have the first notch secured before you lock the second one.